Here's a little tip on how to get your insert to stay in place. So I've pulled the last screw out and arranged my insert so that it's reverse of how it will go in the track, and poked a screw through the hole here, and then I will double this back upon itself. First we'll go ahead and put a little sealant in that hole, and I think how I've done this before is I've trimmed back this edge. And it is a little bit tricky to get this started at the very beginning. Once you get the insert started, then just gradually work it in as you go down. How I'm doing it here is I'm stuffing it into the bottom and then compressing it together and then inserting it into the top.